everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet. This is a true 414 Impala Super Sport car. Killer car, guys. I love this car, man. Buddy of mine, Tim, is the one who actually got me this car. He bought it. We got this car from a gentleman who was in his 70s, so owned this car a long time. He just 5 years ago did a complete frame-off restoration to the car. Neat car, factory red on red car. This is the original color combination. It does have the original 327 underneath the hood, 4-speed, and nice. Killer car. Pretty paint, very nicely done. Runs and drives excellent. I mean, I dig this car, man. Matter of fact, I put these on it. It's got brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, and those are custom order deep dish Cragar SS wheels on it. You kind of got the old school Woodward Avenue look, and just a cool car. And again, factory SS, factory red on red 4-speed car. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. It's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights on it. Sorry, snowflakes, guys. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Very nice. Car's only got 74,000 original miles on it. Original three-piece front bumper. I think the rear's original too. I didn't see where they had changed any panels on this car, guys. Doggone it. Doggone wind will take your breath away. Yeah, that's just snowflakes. Little marks up there. A really nice car. A couple of things, got to check on the wipers. I know the wipers weren't working. I think Steve also said that he's got to adjust the brake switch or something on the rear. Good car, though. Man, it's cold. Doggone it. Yeah, I think this is a great body style. Like you say, fun car to drive. Again, it's just snowflakes, guys. A little mark there on your bumper. That is a pretty car, man. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, brand new rubber, brand new wheels. It's a good looking car. It's just a little wax there. I love the kind of deep dish, old school look. I just didn't like it had the factory hubcaps and white wall tires. That's just not me, man. I wanted this thing to look like it was on Woodward Avenue in the 60s. Again, original 64 327 engine, 4-barrel, stock intake. It's actually the 300 horse version. You can see it's got the GM double hump heads, and it also has the GM Ramshorn high performance exhaust manifolds. Manual steering, manual brakes, just like it would have come out of the factory. Stock air cleaner, stock valve covers. You can see it's got all the GM hoses on it. Original shroud. Old OptiClean bottle. Cool car. Factory 4-speed. Very cool car. Very fun car to cruise, guys. I'll tell you that. Even a little cold light on the dash in there works. Hands are freezing. Doggone it. I think he said this car originally came out of California. The gentleman, well, I guess, was look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. I guess the guy originally when he bought it, he lived in Illinois, and then he relocated to North Carolina. But if I remember it, I think he said the car originally came out of California. Like I say, a 5-year-old frame-off restoration. Look how nice all the trim and stuff is on the doors. New carpet. New sill plates. Bucket seats, console. They've definitely repatted, refoamed, recovered the seats. Steering wheel's nice. Factory tack car, and it works. Hopefully you can see this. 74,000 original miles. Like I said, a little cold light in the dash comes on. AM radio powers up. I couldn't get a station. Original T-handle shifter. Yeah, I'd say a little, you can pick that a little bit, but I bet you weekend's worth of elbow grease and a SOS pad, and that thing will clean up. Dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end. No big gear or anything like that in it. Definitely a cruiser. Fender skirts, original shop manual. Like I said, I didn't see where they had put any panels in the car. The car's all original. It's all spackle coated. And I mean original, I believe it has all the original body panels. Obviously it's been repainted and they did restore it. But then a lot of the car, you can still see a lot of originality. Like I say, the T-handle shifter, I think that's completely original to the car. Floors are nice, bottom of the car's clean. Door skins are clean. Again, look how nice the trim and stuff is on the door pads. You know what? I can't remember if I showed you the headliner. Yeah, this one's cleaned up better. Bet you that other one will clean up as well too. Seats are nice. Again, they're all repadded. Have Jordan fired up here. No, that A-pillar chrome is really nice. Again, just good old car, guys. You see the original fuel filter still on there, the old AC stickers and stuff on it. It's just a good car. I thought it was just super cool. Tach works, fuel gauge. Oh yeah, the little cold light's working right now. That goes off once it warms up. Cold. Yeah, it hits freezing. Parking brake does work. Thought about louding it up a little bit, but I just left it alone. Exhaust is good. It powers up. I couldn't get a station though, but you can hear it, yeah. Yeah, definitely comes on. It's just not catching station. Blower motor does work. I think it's so cool when those work. Again, we got to check on the wipers. Steve told me he's got to do that, and he also said that he's got to check that brake switch. I guess the brake switch needs to be adjusted. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of us on Facebook, on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. I can't stress that to you enough. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a good looking 64 right there, man. That is a wicked cool car. Have a great day, guys.